Okay, guys, I would like to quickly cover an important component of the MetaMask wallet, which is this particular menu here. At the top of the wallet, in the header, you have a selection for networks. When you are just about to start in the cryptoverse, and when you have installed the Chrome extension for the first time, you only have the Ethereum mainnet visible here. Now, if you're someone who is starting out in the Web3 gaming space, let's say, some of these applications are built on top of the Polygon network, which is not the Ethereum network. The majority of the action used to be on the Ethereum network, but this is slowly changing and growing and expanding onto other blockchains like the Polygon network. But there is also projects like the Pulse chain, which are currently being developed, and a whole lot of other projects that are EVM compatible projects similar to the Ethereum network with their own little twists and changes that they have made. But a lot of the time, especially going into the future, we will be working with multiple networks rather than only with Ethereum. So I wanted to make sure we cover this in a short video on how to add networks, even though this has become relatively simple these days, not as difficult as it used to be in the past. You do not have to add anything manually anymore. Actually, you do have an add network button here, and some of the more prominent networks are already visible here on the front page, like the Binance Smart Chain. You can just add it here by clicking add, or the Polygon mainnet. You can just click add here, and you can add the network in this way. As you can see in the pop-up window, it will show you some of the data that it's using to add to your MetaMask wallet. You can quickly double check it in here. And sometimes, just sometimes, you will have to add this data manually to that MetaMask wallet. In this case, we can do it automatically. Let's just click approve. And now it's asking us if we want to switch over from the Ethereum mainnet to the Polygon mainnet. And let's just do that for the sake of the example. And as you can see, the coins that you have seen on here before have disappeared. And now we are seeing only Matic, which is the native token of the Polygon network. So we are now in a different ecosystem, in a parallel world. We are not on the Ethereum network anymore. Now we are on the Polygon network. And if you just open up the MetaMask wallet here, you can see that we are here now on the Polygon mainnet. We have now two choices here. And also here we're seeing a different set of tokens. And we can switch back to Ethereum. And as you can see now, we are loading the other two tokens here. And we can add many different networks to this list. There are a lot of networks that can be added depending on where your activity is. Most people will probably be interacting with Polygon first. Some will eventually move on to the Binance chain. Some might, come in and join the Pulse chain project. In this case, for example, if you want to participate in the testnet, you may need to add some of this data manually because there is currently no button to automatically add it. If you have to add that data manually, you will have to go to Settings, Networks, Add Network, and add network manually, and just copy and paste the 5 pieces of data from the website into here and save. I think the main takeaway here is that we are going into a world where we are working with multiple chains, where we have tokens on different type of chains, depending on where our favorite projects are hosted on. Especially in the gaming scene, a lot of people are working with Polygon. Also in the NFT space, people are moving over to Polygon because of lower transaction fees, quicker transactions, and I believe this trend is here to stay. Please hit the subscribe button. If you hit the like button, this would really help this video to get some more visibility. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.